Hey everyone, it's Todd with Black Wolf Customs again. Alright, here's the 2019 Z71 Chevy pickup. It is cut, buffed, shining like crazy. I'm going to do a walk by, I polished the fender. You can see me in it. Hi guys. And then I glazed it. Actually, I'll get down so you can see the reflection better. That's all the stuff on the wall behind me. I'm right here. Hey guys. Move in front of the hockey board, air hockey board behind me. I'll even zoom in so you can see how clear it is. There's the rear door. Ugh. I'm kind of squatting. I'm not scooting on a scoot seat, so that's why it's kind of jittery. There's the box shining. Reflection of me walking in front of it now. Reflection up here. I'll turn the lights on so you can see it with the lights, but you can see the reflection better with just the shop lights on. I'll turn the actual light on the video here. Right now, maybe. There we go. Come around the back. There's the light reflecting. All right, she is ready, or it is ready to be cleaned up and detailed. It's got some ready for an oil change it needs to have done. Still waiting on the running board, whatever the heck it's called. Sorry guys, I'm running on a little sleep. Anyway, as soon as that comes in, that's easy enough to bolt on. I'm gonna come in and let you look at it up close. That's the reflection of the light. You don't see any sand scratches. Oh, I've got some compound dust. There we go. Got it out of there. And yes, that handle was painted. So, alright guys. Until the next video, which I'll probably take once everything is totally together and it's cleaned up and it's outside. Or I'll take pictures. We'll see what happens and how much time I got. Other than that, oh, here. I'll show you the shine with the light. So you can't really see a whole lot when the light's on. The lights are almost too bright. There we go. Alright guys, like I said, I'll post another video when it's all cleaned up and outside. Post pictures too. Until then, be inspired, spread love and joy in the world, and we will see you in the next video. Later.